definitely raining heavier this morning back at home. Very windy, but
It is at 4 o'clock.
they're saying it's going to be 4 o'clock, between 2 and 4 this afternoon, that we're going to start to really see it pick up. I still think around noon it's going to be a little on the heavy side, or at least that's when it's going to start anyway. We shall see. I will be recording updates as always. So y'all have a good day.